Next we have protected areas. Environment theme continues, environment subject in fact continues, and within the subject of environment we have this theme of protected areas. Protected areas. Now first we have Mukurthi National Park, Tamil Nadu. Mukurthi National Park, Tamil Nadu. Now Mukurthi National Park, Tamil Nadu, it was in news. Okay, now not only we are going to see the protected areas, but whatever information which might be remotely related and is relevant for exam we will also see. ठीक है, so सबसे पहले क्या है, Mukurthi National Park. Now Mukurthi National Park is in Tamil Nadu. In itself it is important aspect for prelims examination. It is located in Western Ghat and is a part of Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. Now when we talk about the Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve, here we need to know some important things. In India, how many biosphere reserves we have? In India, how many biosphere reserves we have? We have 18 biosphere reserves. And out of these 18 biosphere reserves, 12 are the part of Man and Biosphere Program. UNESCO's Man and Biosphere Program, 12 are there. ये कौन से biosphere reserves हैं? These are those biosphere reserves which देखो, the nature of the relation between man, environment and wildlife. This is very important. If man, wildlife and nature will live in harmony, it will solve a lot of problem. So word क्या है? Man and Biosphere. So Man and Biosphere Program is the one which focuses on building a cordial relation between the man and environment and wildlife. So those biosphere reserves which focus on building a cordial relation between these three components, they are the part of the Man and Biosphere Program. So out of the 18 biosphere reserves that we have, 12 are the part of the MAB. Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve is one in those 12. So Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve is the part of MAB. Now Mukurthi National Park, देखो अभी यही तो वो पूछता है ना कि ये river directly, basically for example this river passes from Silent Valley or not, are you getting it or not, which river passing from where, which protected area is the part of which other biosphere reserve or something like that. So Mukurthi National Park, which state? Tamil Nadu, part of located in Western Ghat, part of Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve is under Man and Biosphere Program, which is driven by UNESCO. Okay, one more thing, understand this thing, that when we talk about the Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve, under the Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve, okay, from this area many questions have come. There are actually nine major protected areas within the Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. 9 major protected areas are there Biosphere Reserve के अंदर. Now state wise I will tell you, जल्दी से लिख लो बस. Very important, state wise कौन कौन से एरिया है प्लीज इसको जल्दी से लिख लो. By the way, Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve, when we talk about it, it is shared between 3 states. Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve shared between 3 states. कौन कौन सी है? Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. So within these 3 states, within the Nilgiri, we have 9 major protected areas. What are these? Please write. तमिलनाडु में है मुद्दुमुलाई नेशनल पार्क. तमिलनाडु में है मुद्दुमुलाई नेशनल पार्क. मुद्दुमुलाई नेशनल पार्क. मुकुर्थी नेशनल पार्क, ऑलरेडी वी आर सीइंग इट. मुद्दुमुलाई नेशनल पार्क, मुकुर्थी नेशनल पार्क. सत्यमंगलम वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी. सत्यमंगलम वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी. These are in Tamil Nadu, part of Nilgiri. Next, Karnataka. Karnataka. Nagarhole National Park. Nagarhole National Park. I'll advise you कि वहीं हैंड आउट में ही लिखो, अलग से कहीं मत लिखो, बिकॉज वो 1-2 पेज नहीं संभाल पाओगे, वहीं साइड में लिखो. नागरहोल नेशनल पार्क, बांदीपुर नेशनल पार्क, नागरहोल नेशनल पार्क, बांदीपुर नेशनल पार्क. ठीक है, these are the 2 major protected areas within the Nilgiri in the Karnataka. Then Kerala. साइलेंट वैली नेशनल पार्क, साइलेंट वैली नेशनल पार्क, अरालम वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी, अरालम, अरालम वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी, वायनाड वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी, वायनाड वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी, करीम पूजा वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी, करीम पूजा, करीम पूजा वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी. Okay, it is in Kerala. So Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve in 3 states, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Kerala. And within Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve, these are the 9 major protected areas that we have, and Mukurthi is one of these. Is it clear? Tamil Nadu. And what is the important keystone species that is found in the Mukurthi National Park is Nilgiri Thar. Nilgiri Thar. And the forest is montane grassland and shrublands. Montane grassland and shrublands. By the way, I'll not advise you to go and give too much of focus on these vegetations that much. Broad क्या करना है? देखो, as a part of Indian geography, you should know the broad type of forest which are found in a particular area, depending on climate, depending on topography, depending on a lot of other factors. Are you getting? So on that particular basis, try to make a logical conclusion. ठीक है, तो एरिया समझ में आ जाएगा ना. फॉर एग्जांपल वेस्टर्न घाट्स हैं, या पर्टिकुलरली फॉर एग्जांपल नॉर्थ ईस्ट है, ठीक है, या फिर हिमालयास है, तो किस टाइप की वेजिटेशन मिल सकती है. ओके, देन नेक्स्ट इज, ओके, आर वी क्लियर ऑन दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग और नॉट? ओके, एंड सम ऑफ द कम्युनिटीज ऑल्सो आर देयर विच लिव हियर. तो एक बार वो भी लिख लो. Important communities living here. Badagas. Here you have space, na? Right here only. Todas. Now they were also in the news. Therefore, that's the reason I am giving you. Badagas, Todas, Kotas, Kota, Kota. Kota. Irula. Fine. Okay, these are some of the important communities. Is it clear or not? Living here. Any question? Yes, can we move? Then next is Simlipal Tiger Reserve. Simlipal Tiger Reserve. It was also in news. Where is Simlipal Tiger Reserve? Odisha. And we are going to see it also. It is very famous for the melanistic tiger. Melanistic tiger. What is melanistic tiger? Melanistic tiger have more darker than usual patches. So tiger, they have patches. तो उनके ऊपर में black patches are more pronounced. So they are darker tigers, melanistic tigers. Okay, now this melanism is a mutation that happens because of the excess production of a melanin. So melanin in our skin gives us a particular skin tone. So because of more production of melanin, we will have a dark skin tone. Less production of melanin, will have a lighter skin tone. So melanistic tigers have a more melanin production, because of which they have a dark coat. So melanistic tigers are found here in Simlipal Tiger Reserve, and to protect them, armed police personnel were deployed. Is it clear or not? Now, when we talk about Simlipal Tiger Reserve, now some important aspects with respect to tiger I want to discuss with you, because the tiger is an important species. First of all, अभी जल्दी से हम लोग when we talk about the tiger, few important aspects with respect to tiger. Number one, 70% of the tiger population is found in India. ठीक है, 70% ऑफ टाइगर पॉपुलेशन इज फाउंड इन इंडिया. देयर आर 13 कंट्रीज which are referred to as the tiger range countries. 13 countries are there which are referred to as tiger range country. अभी आइडिया होना चाहिए which are these tiger range countries. If you want you can write their names because might be they can ask because already cheetah is got reintroduced in India. ठीक है, तो मे बी यूपीएससी वाले सोचा कि चीता तो वेरी सेलिब्रिटी है तो चीता के आसपास सब पूछते हैं. ठीक है, तो 13 टाइगर रेंज कंट्रीज कौन कौन सी है? इंडिया, बांग्लादेश, भूटान, इंडिया, बांग्लादेश, भूटान, चाइना, कंबोडिया, इंडिया, बांग्लादेश, भूटान, कंबोडिया, चाइना, इंडोनेशिया, इंडोनेशिया, देन नेक्स्ट मलेशिया वी हैव सीन. मलेशिया लिख लीजिए. लाओस, LA, लाओस, म्यांमार, नेपाल, थाईलैंड, 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 वियतनाम और थोड़ा दूर का एक है मतलब रशिया. Is it clear or not? So these are the tiger range countries. ठीक है, now you got a zone. You got a zone. ठीक है, तो you can guess. Fine. Is Pakistan counted in the tiger range country? No. ठीक है, they are also hunting our great Indian bustards. ठीक है, उनका पॉपुलेशन कम हो गया. Okay, so these are the tiger range countries. What is the status of tiger on IUCN red list? It is endangered. It is endangered. So status of tiger is endangered. We have 13 tiger range countries. India is one of them. सबसे ज्यादा टाइगर का पॉपुलेशन किस में है? इंडिया में है. To preserve tiger, we run a dedicated project by the name of Project Tiger. Project Tiger is executed and driven by whom? NTCA, National Tiger Conservation Authority. Is it clear or not? And Project Tiger is one of the successful program with respect to the conservation of any species in the world. ठीक है, ये एक one of the बहुत successful program है. Now understand this thing. When we talk about the Project Tiger, under the Project Tiger, any area having considerable population of tiger can be declared as a critical tiger habitat. Under Project Tiger, area having a considerable population of tiger is considered as declared as a critical tiger habitat. How many tiger reserves we have? So NTCA declares a area having tiger population as a tiger reserve. How many tiger reserves we have right now? So as per the latest updation that has happened on the website of NTCA, we have now got one more 55 tiger reserves. ठीक है, 55 टाइगर रिजर्व. अब सबसे लेटेस्ट वाले कौन से हैं? ठीक है, सबसे लेटेस्ट कौन से? धौलपुर करौली, धौलपुर करौली, धौलपुर करौली, धौलपुर करौली. It is in Rajasthan. And the next is Virangana Durgavati. Virangana Durgavati. Virangana Durgavati Tiger Reserve. It is in Madhya Pradesh. So 54th Tiger Reserve Virangana Durgavati is in Madhya Pradesh. 55th Tiger Reserve That is the Dholpur Karoli is in Rajasthan, and we have the 55 tiger reserves. Is it clear or not? Most number of tigers in India are in Madhya Pradesh. सबसे ज्यादा टाइगर्स कहां पे है? Most tigers are in Madhya Pradesh. Clear or not? Smallest tiger reserve is Bor. BOR. Maharashtra. Bor tiger reserve is the smallest, and the largest is NSTR, Andhra Pradesh. Nagarjun Sagar Sri Sallam tiger reserve, NSTR. Nagarjun Sagar Sri Sallam tiger reserve. Nagarjun Sagar Sri Sallam tiger reserve, NSTR. This is the largest tiger reserve. कहां पे है? आंध्र प्रदेश में. Smallest कहां पे है? महाराष्ट्र. Which one? More. Largest number of tiger कहां पे है? मध्य प्रदेश. Largest number of tiger in tiger range country कहां पे है? India. Is it clear or not? Now few things you need to keep in your mind, that with respect to conservation of tiger, St. Petersburg Tiger Summit was held in 2010. ये सबसे important tiger preservation का landmark है. St. Petersburg Tiger Summit was held in 2010. And aimed to double tiger population. Tiger population. Is it clear or not? ठीक है. Aimed to double the tiger population. कब तक करना था? 2022 तक. कब तक करना था? 2022 तक. So because already in the past UPSC asked the question with respect to M stripes, पूछा था M stripes is usually in the news, किससे related है? तो वो tiger से related था. So such kind of things, for example, St. Petersburg, already Beijing Declaration they have asked in the prelims examination, किससे related था? Women से related था. So St. Petersburg summit was organized. It was for conservation of tiger population. Tiger population is to be doubled by which year? 2022. Now also under this, also what happens? TX2 award is given. Please write TX2 award is given. ठीक है. Recently TX2 award. अभी TX2 award क्या है? Given to those protected areas which have increased substantially or have doubled their tiger population. So TX2 मतलब tiger into 2. Recently Satyamangalam Tiger Reserve. You remember Satyamangalam Wildlife Sanctuary में देखा तो Satyamangalam Tiger Reserve भी है. Satyamangalam Tiger Reserve in Tamil Nadu and Pilibhit Tiger Reserve. Pilibhit Tiger Reserve in UP. They got the TX2 award. So TX2 award is given to those protected areas which have successfully doubled their tiger population. So two areas recently got, two tiger reserves recently got. कौन सा? Satyamangalam Tiger Reserve in Tamil Nadu and Pilibhit in UP. Are you getting it or not? ठीक है. Now Global Tiger Forum is an international organization specifically working for the protection of tiger. Global Tiger Forum headquartered in Delhi. Global Tiger Forum. Global Tiger Forum is the agency specifically working for conservation of tiger, headquartered in Delhi. ओके अभी ग्लोबल टाइगर फोरम, ग्लोबल टाइगर फोरम in association with WWF World Wildlife Fund, NTCA, Global Tiger Forum, Worldwide Fund, World Wildlife Fund, ठीक है, वो WWF रेसलिंग वाला WWF याद आता है, वर्ल्ड वाइल्ड लाइफ फंड, ग्लोबल टाइगर फोरम, वर्ल्ड वाइल्ड लाइफ फंड, NTCA, implement cats assessment in India, implement cats assessment in India. अभी समझो what is cats. Cats stand for conservation assured tiger standards. Cats का मतलब क्या है? Conservation assured tiger standard. What is this cats? This is a accreditation, this is a recognition given to those protected areas which have taken adequate steps to protect the tiger. तो सर्टिफिकेशन देते हैं ना कि that okay you are accredited. तो cats is a accreditation given to protected areas. Global Tiger Forum is the body which gives this accreditation to all the countries who are the tiger range countries. GTF. इंडिया में GTF का पार्टनर कौन है? वर्ल्ड वाइल्ड लाइफ फंड इंडिया एंड NTCA. Is it clear or not? So if in exam comes that the cats is related to whom? Tiger. अब एक और बात समझो. Cats, when we talk about the cats, within the cats there are the 5 species of the genus Panthera comes. Are you getting it or not? उसमें टाइगर भी आता है, उसमें लेपर्ड भी आता है, उसमें जैगुआर भी आता है. तो वो कैट्स मतलब ये सब है, लेकिन कैट्स में ये कैट्स असेसमेंट इज स्पेसिफिकली गिवन फॉर टाइगर रिजर्व. आर यू एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड और नॉट? समझ में आ रहा है? आई होप इट इज नॉट ओवरवेलमिंग यू. ठीक है, बट व्हाट वी कैन डू, ठीक है, प्रीलिम्स ऑलरेडी यू हैव सीन दैट वेयर इट इज नाउ मूविंग ऑन. ठीक है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, 10 सेकंड में रिवाइज कर लेंगे सब चीजें. इट विल बी क्लियर्ड. आर यू गेटिंग इट और नॉट? सो कैट्स is in context of tiger, TX2 is in context of tigers. Okay, and already M stripes तो उन्होंने पूछ ही लिया. M stripes already they have asked. M stripes they have already asked. So M stripes क्या है? M stripes is a program taken by NTCA to modernize the infrastructure with respect to the surveillance of tigers and their conservation. तो टाइगर को ट्रैक करने के लिए CCTV कैमरा लगाना है, टाइगर को ट्रैक करने के लिए सेंसर्स चाहिए. So to modernize the infrastructure with respect to the conservation and assessment and surveillance for the tiger, this M stripes have been started. Are you getting it or not? Now don't worry, just in 1 minute everything will be sorted out. तो टाइगर सबसे पहले ये बताओ. नाउ यू विल टेल मी व्हाट इज द स्टेटस ऑफ टाइगर. व्हाट इज द स्टेटस ऑफ टाइगर? एंडेंजर्ड. ठीक है, ये सिंगल कमिटेड वाला नहीं है. कंजर्वेशन स्टेटस इज एंडेंजर्ड. ओके, टाइगर्स आर फाउंड इन 13 टाइगर रेंज कंट्री. क्लियर और नॉट? इंडिया इज अ पार्ट ऑफ दैट. मोस्ट नंबर ऑफ टाइगर्स आर फाउंड इन इंडिया. इन इंडिया में सबसे ज्यादा टाइगर कहां पे है? मध्य प्रदेश. हाउ मेनी टाइगर रिजर्व्स वी नाउ गॉट? 55 एज पर द लेटेस्ट update on the NTCA's website. Which is the latest tiger reserve? Dholpur Karoli. In which state? Rajasthan. Are you getting it or not? Now TX2 award, Cats award, M stripes are related to the tiger. St. Petersburg summit was held for doubling whose population? Tiger population. By which year they are to be achieved? 2022. Is it clear or not? And melanistic tiger is a tiger having a darker coat because of the higher production of melanin. Is it clear or not? ठीक है. So some important biggest tiger reserve in India, NSTR. Smallest tiger reserve, Boer tiger reserve. समझ में आ गया? Any doubt here? ठीक है. सो बिकॉज क्वेश्चंस विल कम, बिकॉज अगर आता है इसके आसपास में कोई, तो द इंफॉर्मेशन दैट यू गॉट मिक्स मैच करके बन जाएगा आंसर. मूविंग ऑन. Okay, so Simlipal Tiger Reserve, and as tiger came, we have discussed about it. And here, when we talk about Simlipal Tiger Reserve, it is the part of UNESCO World Network of Biosphere Reserve. UNESCO World Network of Biosphere Reserve. तो UNESCO World Network of Biosphere Reserve में वो सारे आते हैं जो मैप के पार्ट है. तो STR is a part of Man and Biosphere Reserve program. Simlipal Tiger Reserve is a part of MAB. Is it clear or not? And Simlipal is also the part of the Mayurbhanj Elephant Reserve. ठीक है. और एक चीज और ध्यान रखना कि Simlipal Biosphere Reserve is there. Simlipal Biosphere Reserve में Simlipal Tiger Reserve is there. And Simlipal Biosphere Reserve is a part of MAB. Making sense or not? Simlipal Biosphere Reserve. सिमलीपाल बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व के अंदर सिमलीपाल टाइगर रिजर्व. सिमलीपाल टाइगर रिजर्व में मेलानिस्टिक टाइगर. क्लियर. एंड टू इंपॉर्टेंट कम्युनिटीज दैट लिव हियर व्हिच वर इन द न्यूज आर एरेंगाखारियाज एंड मनकिर्दियाज. इज इट क्लियर और नॉट? फाइन.